So this is our unique accommodation. We are staying in beach huts.
Hello, I'm Rianne and this is my husband Ben.
Thailand! Hello, welcome back to video. We're on tour with Dredgers and this is our Thailand series.
Today we are leaving Surat Thani and we are heading onto a ferry over to Koh Samui. We just checked out the hotel, got our deposit back in full and they didn't check it. It was fine anyway, but I just thought it was weird.
What was the point? Yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, it's really early. Rianne has never seen this time of day. That's why, like, obviously...
You won't hear from me for a while.
Yeah. I've got to introduce the video because Rianne's like a zombie. Anyway, let's get down there because we're not late, but we got to get there.
We're on tight schedule. From our accommodation for us, and then you need to go to the bus station, get your tickets for your bus. We're on the bus, we're the only people on it, and then there's about, we think, 30-minute drive to the ferry port, and then we've got about an hour ride on the ferry to the island. We got told to get here half an hour early, not really worth it, and this bus is included in your ferry ticket as well. The bus and the ferry ticket in total cost us about 1,000 baht for both of us, so not too bad.
I actually don't even think he's picking anyone else up. We're still the only ones on it, but... Right, so the bus just dropped us off. We're in the Donsak district, it's east of Surat Thani, so that took ages, didn't it? 35 minutes?
No, an hour and 15 minutes.
Was it?
Yeah, it was ages.
Yeah, now we got to get a ferry. I think it's another hour on the ferry now, so
Great.
let's do it.
Thank you. Yes. I'm meant to fit through it. Oh, I'm excited. Why didn't we sit in here? I don't know. So this is the aircon section. There's life jackets under all the seats. That's where the toilets are down there and where you can buy some food. Looks like this is the way off. Everyone's queuing here. Thank you. So that's it. We're off the boat. Literally.
Yeah, that was quite long though, wasn't it?
Hour and a half.
It's a big island as well. I didn't realise it was this big. Huge.
I know, you think you can just like walk there. Oh no, you can hire. So there's motorbikes, car rental, all of it's here. Taxis. If you want it, they've got it. Just get out of here. Don't ever buy one here, Ben. No, thank you. Golden rule, never get taxis, tuk-tuks straight away when you get off. Get away from it because the prices will be doubled.
No, I'll get the bus.
No thanks. Hello. Thank you. Did you tell him we were getting a bus? Because he said to me, ah, bus.
Yeah, they normally they're like, no, don't try and talk you out of it, but here they're like, yeah, the bus. I don't really know.
I know. Where's the bus?
I don't know, they could have pointed me in the right direction.
Probably because they're in a bus. Thanks, Ben.
Sorry. How you doing? All right?
Okay, so we jumped on like a tuk-tuk kind of bus thing. 100 baht each to take us there. Thank you. Ben.
Oh my god. Fancy this being over the road. Bit out of training though, to be honest.
Oh, this is well cool.
Yes.
So this is our unique accommodation. We are staying in beach huts. Come and have a look. This is our outside seating area. And then if you come in here, this is the bedroom. Nice double bed, aircon, fan, not much storage room, so don't know where our bags are going. And then in here we have a bathroom. We've got toilet, sink, shower. It's nice and clean in here. So this is where we're staying for the next 3 nights. It is literally straight on the beach. We'll show you in a minute. But we paid for an upgrade, didn't we?
Yeah, so basically it's 900 for a normal hut, and then you can pay 1300 and you get a private bathroom, because normally you'd have to share one.
Yeah.
And also we've got air cons. It's a little bit more, but it's worth it.
As these are called beach huts, we must be on the beach. Let's go and see how far we are from the beach. And this is the beach.
Let's be honest, it's an absolute beautiful beach.
There's no one here.
Perfect.
This is our own private beach, which we're sharing with these people.
Right, so we're walking down to 7-Eleven, get a coffee, because their frappes are Heng Teng.
What snacks we getting?
I'm not too bothered, but to get a Christmas thing or whatever.
Yeah, but the thing is, you say you're not too bothered, and then you eat them all, and then I'm like, oh,
Yeah,
that wasn't satisfied.
I will get. So get whatever you get double.
Look at that. Didn't really need a large.
So, 2 frappes, 1 espresso frappe, 1 chocolate frappe. Both of them together, 100 baht. Unbelievable. 7-Eleven's the best place to buy your frappes.
We love it. Let's go and sit on the beach and enjoy our frappe.
Exactly. We could sit on the beach and enjoy the frappes.
Decided to come out in the water. Well, I've decided to come out in the water. Ben isn't coming in at the moment, but I'm sure I can persuade him. And it's lovely and warm. It's like a bath. It's so warm, and you can see all the fishies down at the bottom. I'm a little bit scared because I had this jellyfish in there, and I remember coming to Thailand ages ago when we went to Phi Phi Island. There was them like black spiky things. I don't know if they're in there, so I'm a little bit skeptical.
Okay, so we're sat here, gonna watch the sun go down. Beautiful here. We're right on the beach. Just gonna have some dinner and stuff. I've actually got a beer. I remember last time I was in Thailand, they put these coolers, they keep the bottle cold, but I've only ever seen them in Thailand. This is a very cool one. Look, it's got a tuk-tuk on, and I'm drinking the traditional Chang at the moment. Rian's got a cocktail. Rian's just pleaded with me to do a beer review, so I'll do it. Lovely and cold. A little bit harsh, but I'll give that a 7.8 out of 10.
So I've gone for a pineapple cocktail. I don't really drink very often, but it's happy hour and it's only 80 baht for a cocktail, so I thought I'd join and have a drink with Ben. I haven't tried it yet. It's very frothy. It's very delicious. Can't taste the alcohol, which is good, and it's nice and refreshing. I love pineapple. I'm just gonna eat this.
And yeah, by the way, a small bottle of beer, this size, 330 millilitres, 50 baht. happy hour deal, 2 hours of happy hour. So get as many as these down, yeah? What's that, 50 baht?
So this restaurant is literally, what, a 1 second walk from our accommodation, and happy hour is between 5:30 and 7:30. Ben was counting down the minutes.
Obviously beach huts that side and beach huts that side, so this is in the middle.
So it is part of it, but
Yeah,
obviously it is a separate restaurant as well.
These ones have got toilets and aircon, these ones haven't.
So these are just room. And this is the place, obviously you can come here, it don't have to be with accommodation. You've got a lovely view of the sea. We've got some elephants dancing on the balcony here. It's very pretty here, there's loads of seating area.
It's very green here.
Isn't it?
It's green.
And the prices are good.
Right, so I went for kind of traditional. I went for a green Thai curry with shrimp. I'm not going to go too far into it, but I'm going to have a try a shrimp. There you go, look. It's kind of hot. It's really rich. Kind of salty, but yeah, really nice. Really rich and really nice.
So my dinner's just come out. I got the pad thai. It is like my new favourite out here, and I went for pork. I've got sides of cucumber, a bit of lime, if you want to squirt it on. It looks like there's tender stems, there's bean shoots, carrot. They use the glass noodles in these. Oh, and you got some baby corns in there. It's nice. It's not really blowing my mind though. It's not a lot of flavour, but we've got some pots of sauces here, which I think will balance out. I think we need to
Enhance.
get some stuff in there, but really nice, a good portion size as well, a lot bigger than the one we had the other day. And I also went for a side of fries because I really fancied some chips tonight. So in this she just brought out, we've got some sugar, we've got some chili oils, and then we've got some like chili flake powders. And I always find that like on your table you always have like a sweet chili sauce, your fish sauce, pepper, salt, normal stuff, and some ketchup. They love the ketchup as well. But I'm just going to say both of our portions are massive, so we're going to be full. We've got sign out. Okay, we've got quite a far walk back to our accommodation now, so let's get on the road, Ben. Very long walk to our apartment. It's a bit dark here, isn't it? So we're back in our tiny little hut. How cute's this? Got the aircon on. Oh, that's lovely. But dinner was about £15, so a lot more than we're used to. That is the perks of obviously sitting at the table and sitting on the beach. We won't be doing that again.
And also being in a tourist hotspot rather than a locals place.
And having a beer and a cocktail.
Yeah, but I think maybe we'll make sure we go somewhere a little bit more locals.
Definitely. That was probably, it wasn't a terrible meal, but it's probably the worst meal I've had in Thailand so far, and it's the most expensive, so.
It can't be the street food.
No, street food's unreal. Like, the pad thai I had the other day, I think I'll think about it forever. It's one of them things. But other than that, we're gonna finish the video here. I'm looking forward to going to sleep, because I think this will be very dark and a very good sleep, because I had to get up early this morning. 6 o'clock? Too early, alright?
Yeah, a bit early for you.
Alright, we'll see you later.
Subscribe.
So, to get to the island, Koh Samui, and we got given a sticker so they don't lose us.
A quick mention to these things, look. Do you reckon these are carved? Incredible, look, they're everywhere. One. Look. All the way round. Rian thinks I'm a geek.
There's a flight.
You're not going to give us a cop review?
What?